got a green light, but we're not moving. And you can hear people are beeping behind us. So I don't know what's going on.
That guy's pretty upset.
He acts like I could do something. It's like, dude, I can't do anything. Yeah, there you go. He just flipped me off. Oh, he doesn't understand. It's nothing to do with me. Yeah. He acts like I can control what this vehicle's doing.
I swear there's a speed camera here too. Oh my god! Oh no! 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 You alright? You good, yeah?
And a police rolled up newspaper and they can become a fast breaking news story. Welcome to your home and auto.
What would you like to say to Kai?
Will you send me those pics, question mark?
It says, please send me those pictures. Send it.
Down on 155.
Here at coming into Portland.
Coming in Portland.
Correct, I'm in the park now. We get past that right low. Head on with a car.
picture in the book, studying it with a fierce frown of concentration, and then picked up the glasses again.
That demonstration took place outside a fertility clinic in Charlotte, North Carolina last month. Dozens of protesters lined both sides of the street as one of them preached and shouted Bible verses to NPR News, Tel Aviv.
Hang on, I gotta call 911. Oh, shit. What? Shit. What?